train has derailed this morning in St. Catharines over the Welland Canal, and they're able to open one side of the twin locks. The other one still has trains on it, so the Seaway has to work with that, and train company has to work with it too. They're working on the train on the other side of the raised bridge, so they must have separated the train, and the train has derailed, and this is how close you can get to it. Guys, any speculation how this happened?
Maybe something.
We don't have any idea about this.
Sabotage?
No, this is really...
Someone just flew off on the track.
I'm sorry, can you say that again? You want to take a picture of somebody? What?
I say if nobody was here, it would look good if you, like, for an album cover, sitting on a crashed train.
No, that's very creative.
You know?
So
Can't fake it.
this is our suspect number one right now. Working theory is...
That's right.
Okay, there's somebody on the tree.
Is there?
Or maybe the...
Yeah, there were guys on the train earlier today.
Do we know what caused it?
Speculation is rail break.
Right.
Do you use only about like temperature?
Yeah, like it could have been the temperature too. Like the temperature swing from last night to today with the cold and hot could have caused the track to either expand or contract too fast, and then the track splits, and then that happens.
Huh. Wait a minute. Are those cars that were taken off?
Yeah.
I wonder if they empty those.
I think they're empty.
They're empty?